All right, we're going to do the eEdge tip of the week. I'm going to give you a couple here, some cool things here. What we're going to show you here is the ability to take a flyer that automatically creates and pulls the information from the MLS within eEdge, and you can do a couple things with it. One, you can push it right to Facebook and post it and put some comments on there. We can show you how to host it on the web, and then we're also going to show you how to, when you're filling out the remarks, they've got a remarks library built in there for you, so you can create your own custom comments, so you're not always using the same words. A lot of people seem to stick to those same words. I know I do when I'm talking, but this thing has a library and it's built in there for you. So let's get to it. If you log into MyKW and then just click on by My Marketing, go Market My Listings. If you do not have your IDX set up within eEdge, please contact me right away here. And I'm gonna, I don't have any listings, so I'm borrowing the domails here. Hopefully they don't mind. So once you click on Market My Listings, all your listings should pull up, and they should have the proper MLS number here. If they do not, that means you don't have your IDX set up, or if they're not showing as well. So then right to the right, just click on Create Marketing Material here. So right there. And then what it's doing is, so the eEdge system has 4 different tools, and they're all stitched together. It's bringing you into the marketing section. So then Market My Listing. I'm going to create a flyer. And I'm just going to go down here to the flyer library and find one that I like. I'll just say I like that one. Hit select. And then what you have to do is give your project a name. And I'm just going to call it 123 Anywhere Drive Northwest. And I have my folders already set up. If you don't have folders, just do a new subject folder and call it Active Listings. Of course, I'll just call it Active Listings 2s. Check both these boxes, that way it pulls all the information automatically for you. So it's going to take just a second here, and it's going to load that information. And then it's going to pull in here with all of your information. And I sent you 2 videos. The other video is showing you now, as of a couple weeks ago, they changed it where you can have your own email address, KW email, and an alternate website as well that goes onto the marketing material. Before, you could only have your KW Realty email address and KW Realty website on this marketing material. They have now opened that up to have any kind of links that you want to put in there, so you can customize that. So check the other video out and I'll show you that. So your image should automatically pull in there. If it does not automatically pull in there, under profile here, go to photo and upload your photo into your profile. That way it will always pop in there for you. Then just hit next. And it pulled the images, so they're in here. So I'm happy with that. Then I hit next, and now it's going to pull the information, and I can get, it doesn't pull a headline 1. Headline 1's my main heading. I'll say, actually, here's what's cool. I had no idea what this thing was. This little P, I think it's a paragraph symbol. If you click on that, it opens up this library, and then it's got all these generic phrases in here. So I can go here and grab stuff from here. Whatever I want to call it. So I don't get stuck using that same stuff all the time, and it also gives me some different verbiages to use instead of the same old stuff. So I can call, careful, okay, there we go. Grab that, hit save, and then it puts that in there. And then down for the remarks as well, you just click on that, opens up the library, and I can go here, generic phrases, and I can find something that is close to it. And I can go in here and change so if something's pretty good, but I got to change something, and I can go down here and change it. So it only has 2 baths, so I can change that. But I can grab some of this info that's already done for me, and it's going to tell me how close I am to my character limit, because there is a limit on the flyer. Otherwise it won't print on there properly. So again, just generic phrases, and I can go to anything I want here. Keywords, this is going to be an affordable. So then it's going to give me everything that has something to do with affordable. I just grab that, and then hit save. Populates it in there for the remarks, and then I hit done. So that was the one tip there, was on using that material that's already in there, and then your flyer's done. So you can go ahead and print it from here, but I want to show you a cool thing about this host options. This is all free as well. So you go to host options, and then you're going to tell it, yes, create a web URL for this. So it already has it done. Just hit next and hit host down here, and now it's doing its thing. And now once you have it hosted, then you can go down here and under the share URL, hit get link. once it's done loading here. So then I say get the link, and then what it's going to do is it's going to give me, I can quickly post it on the Facebook, click there, and what it'll do is I'll go to my Facebook account. I'm not going to actually hit this. I can write something here, but boom, the flyer's all in there, so I can put something in there. I can get the embed code. I can get a hyperlink, which is what you use for linking text, and then also I get a URL. So this is the link to it. So if I actually went to that, this flyer is hosted online. So boom, there it is. So that is the tip, and then also check out the other video for setting up your contact information.